Let's go.
Today on Gummy Rally Repair, I'm Gator and this is Andrew.
Hello viewers, sorry about my haircut.
We've got his AE86 here and his cam covers currently look like this. And we want to make them look like this. Start off, we're going to use these. These are two that came with my car. I thought it would just save us some time. Rather than paint stripping his ones, we're just going to get the caramel wheel out and hit it. Let's go.
This thing?
No. It's just a piece of timber.
Because I do have spare.
No, it doesn't matter.
If you need
it's just a piece of timber. It's going to smell delicious.
It didn't smell that bad actually.
Oh wow.
I probably shouldn't be smelling that.
Yeah, suddenly the day gets a lot funnier, right?
Well, maybe I'll avoid this thing, eh? I think they paint.
It's painted on
inside.
there. Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about it.
I wouldn't worry about it. I'd just paint the top edge.
Yeah, just get it over there.
Yeah.
The cable behind.
We'll put a ball
I don't know
of...
why they did that. Why did they do that?
Why don't we put a ball of tape in there?
Why did they put the pen inside?
Oh, just didn't care and just painted inside.
True. Looking so much better.
Yeah.
That must be the thicker bit.
Yeah, but I reckon we just
do it again.
aim for where the bits are. Oh, this
Yeah.
one's pretty good.
This one is almost.
Yeah. Always a good time for a stripper, right? Really something. You've done much of it, right?
Yeah, okay.
So what I always do is put the can in a bucket of warm water.
Yep.
And it just literally warms up the can. And then it'll more likely to expand.
You still need to shake it, obviously.
Yeah, absolutely. You do that at the end.
Yeah. Oh, this is coming off good.
Put them in here.
And this is really good because the sandpaper will make the surface even easier to, for the primer and whatever to stick on, which is really good. Sort of nice sanding.
These are just going to sit in that hot water for about 10-15 minutes. And it just warms them up a little bit.
I'll have this all prepped, hopefully by then.
I mean, let's be fair. If it's enough that we can sand it and not feel it, we probably don't need to take it off, bro. You know what I mean? We're painting the primer over them.
Yeah, true.
So
True.
It doesn't.
The primer should just cover it.
The primer will cover up any little imperfections.
Yeah. The more it's prepped, I feel like it will make the painting so easy.
Yeah.
I don't know where you go like, oh no, the bubble comes up. Oh,
Yeah.
the thing coming up.
They're not perfect, these. Is that coming up better?
Bit of a bump here, like set it down a bit more.
It does, it dries real quick. It's just to get rid of any contamination. And look.
Must be full of sanding.
Yeah.
Is the compressor still on?
Shouldn't be.
I want to do it.
It should still have air in it though.
Do that blow up.
It's a bit of a hold your tongue right sort of deal.
So clean.
I know.
Just put it a bit like this then.
Yeah, I know, eh?
2 clean coats, 3 clean coats. Yeah, I want to get this later to black, but I don't know if it's a good idea.
I reckon they'll look really good black. I really like your
So it's
idea.
not just like, just one coat of that and then
Yeah.
a bit of a contrast.
But I reckon let's get it yellow first.
And you just paint
And
over
then
it.
hand it over top once it's dry. There's that done. So, now's the fun bit. Look at this. Let's do this, see? All good. That's ready. Do you want me to spray it or do you want to spray it?
Do we have to worry about this hole in there, or do you think it'll be right?
Do you want me to do it or do you want to do it?
Yeah, sure. Come out quite a lot at first. Sometimes I feel like just the primer itself kind of looks really good.
Oh, well, it's all one colour. We're using the wet on wet method. Spray it on, give it 20 minutes or so to flash off, and then you can chuck the next coat on. Are we ready? This is really exciting.
I've never seen it paint. Hopefully.
That's when we get the colour on. That is the first coat, my friend.
Wow, it looks so good, man.
It looks so good already.
So good.
I reckon we can paint this.
Okay.
Are you going to do it or am I going to do it?
Oh, I can do that one.
What?
If you could work at something this side.
Do you want to do one or do you not want to?
Oh no. Yeah, I'll do
How
one.
good are you at fine stuff?
I think I'm pretty steady hands. And then,
Do one each or are you going to do both? What do you want to do?
let's do one each, I guess.
Yeah? Trust me?
So me, you did all that.
Yeah. Yeah, but this is the hard bit.
This is actual paintbrush. My wife bought it, but she never uses it. She wanna at some point she's doing painting stuff. And she's trying this stuff.
I think we need to get this out just to get it out of the way.
God, it come with a bloody brush already, man.
Well, this is nerve-wracking. Looks so good, man.
Paints it probably taken up, and it probably been like, I'll say there's 15 years from the look of it. There's a going now. I got a bigger one. Same as yours, 525.
Nice.
I felt like I got more power after I installed a GP straight pipe in.
It's probably, I mean, it could be.
It's got no sensor. It's got no sensor or nothing on.
But it always feels like you've got more power when the car's louder, I reckon.
I think so. Probably. It probably doesn't have more.
You know what I mean? It's a bit of placebo effect.
True. Yeah. Now it's just
personally
unknown
reckon.
without any numbers. It's coming off. I can see it's coming off.
Yeah, it's coming off quite
It's
nicely. I think.
just never been taken off before. Thanks for helping me out with that.
That's what mates do, man. It's all good. I quite like making stuff, to be honest.
Oh, it's so dirty. Oh my god, I think it's so
Quite
dirty.
rewarding.
Let me know what you think of the dirtiness in here. The gasket still look alright. No,
It's clean as in there, man. You reckon? That's beautiful. That is very, very
That is
clean. my
beautiful.
friend. That is so nice. These already starting to become a bit old now too, you know.
Wait, no, to get a skyline. Because you used to have a skyline, you say?
No, I used to. I had
Used
a-
to.
Yeah,
Yes,
I threw 2 GTS too. It just looks so much more modern.
I know. So clean.
Just for, what, $100 worth of paint and some time?
Oh, heaps of time and you help. Next time we know. Pimp stripper is not as fast as how it says on the average.
Oh, it still worked pretty well though. You know what I mean? Like the paint stripper and the water
I feel like
blaster.
if it is like, say, on a panel like this,
Yeah.
I think it will come up easy because everything's flat. Because that was like all this
Yeah,
angles and
that's
like,
fair.
and then. Did you say you painted that black? Like,
No, the
Oh.
car paint, the guy that
did
built
it.
my motor did.
Gotcha. Oh. I wonder why they all fit together, eh?
Yeah, so good, eh? What's that one? Is that? That's the second one?
Second. We'll know if it fire up.
That one. Oh, look how good that looks, man.
This gasket still looks very good. I think if I have to see a therapist, I'll paint this yellow, but it's still.
Yeah. I like that, man.
Oh, I like it.
So there you have it. Some paint stripper, some 240 grit, 1 thick coat of primer, 2 coats of colour, 1 hand painted black. It took a few hours. It was like watching paint dry, to be honest. But great result all round. Nice work, Andrew.